Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the ultra luxurious project that is Lodha Azur, a project by Lodha Group. And this project is located in Akshayanagar, Bannerghatta, Bangalore. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan. Then comes the current construction status of the project with the possession. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So over on my left hand side is the sales gallery where you'll be getting all the information and details of the project, and about the land parcel is the whole land parcel over here where the sales office is built up and over here where the construction work is going on. But before everything, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. This ultra luxurious project is spread across 10.5 acres of land parcel consisting of total 6 towers. They have launched 3 towers in phase 1 and now Lodha Group is here with phase 2 in this project with 2 towers as Tower A and Tower E. And this tower will be of basement ground plus 30 floors, and here you'll be getting 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, the USP point of Tower A will be the only tower in this project with luxurious lake facing view of 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK apartments.
Coming to location part, so the project is located in Akshayanagar near to House of Hiranandani in Bangalore. About the further connectivity of the project, you can reach the Silk Board in 20 minutes, Electronic City Phase 1 in 10 minutes, and Singhisandra Metro Station in 15 minutes from the project. Additionally, this project is at very center to 2 metro lines, so technically you can connect to entire Bangalore. Via Pink Line, you can directly access to central Bangalore, and via Yellow Line, you can access to Outer Ring Road and the airport.
Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. All the apartments in this project is thoroughly designed with luxury fittings and finishing. With high-end applicants, home automation system with smart lock, including Italian marble finishing as well. Now coming to the amenities part, which makes it more luxury and the best project in the entire vicinity. So Lodha Group is here in this project with the luxurious world-class amenities that no other builder is providing you in entire South Bangalore. So one of them is 25,000 square feet of Greek themed clubhouse. The name of the clubhouse is Palladio. And in this clubhouse, you will be provided with 5-star services. Additionally, 2 temperature control pool, fully equipped gym, additionally landscape garden, and yes, one more thing, luxury hospitality of 5-star Saint Amand service, additionally valet car parking inside the project itself, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the parking provision. So this project has one type of car parking, and that is the basement level. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Lodha Azur. As you can see in the image, this project consists of total 6 towers. Tower B, Tower C and Tower D was launched in phase 1. Now, they launched with phase 2 with Tower A, Tower E, and the Tower F is for future development. Now about the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower A, having 4 flats, 4 lifts, 2 staircases. Here, 1 flat of 3 BHK and 3 flats of 3 BHK plus study room. Now, about the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, that is 4,000 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the most interesting part, that is the current construction status of the project. So for Tower A, B and Tower C, the construction has already been started and came up to the podium level. Now let me tell you about the possession part. So you'll be getting possession of Tower A, B and Tower C by May 2028. For Tower D, you'll be getting possession by October 2028, and for Tower E, the possession will be mid of 2029.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.